friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll be doing the unique kind of benchmark test, which is a artificial intelligence benchmark test, which is available in the Play Store. So, which is called the AI benchmark. So, this is the first time I'm trying in the smartphone in the Poco X3 versus the OnePlus Nord versus Poco F2 Pro device. The Poco X3 has a Snapdragon 732G, 765G, and the 865 processor. So, talking about the mid-range segment, above mid-range segment, and premium and segment mobile phone. So let's see, friends, all this different kind of segment series and which phone has what score and how much difference can be there from one phone to other smartphone as well. And in this artificial intelligence benchmark application, this will be doing couple of interesting tests as well. As you can see, these 46 tests and 14 different categories which is available in this application, and this is the first time I am doing this kind of test. So here is a quick interface about the AI application, as you can see here, friends, and let me show you the what settings I am using here. And all the three smartphones are selected the same settings except the OnePlus Nord, so which is this Qualcomm Hexagon is not enabling in this device because it's not supported in the OnePlus Nord device. So apart from that, all the remaining settings are kind of same in both the smartphones. So top one I cannot disable because this is not enabled, so it works either way. So to make it a complete same kind of test result, so that's why I decided to use same options in all the three smartphones. So now I'm using only this kind of options. As you can see, is a Poco X3 device and OnePlus Nord device and Poco F2 Pro. So same kind of settings available in all the three smartphones. So now let me try to begin the test right now. So let me go back to the home page. Let me click the start at same time in all the three smartphones. As you can see, friends, now right now the test has been begun, and this will take I think couple of minutes time, so maybe close to 4 to 5 minutes of time, because this will run a lot of simultaneously testings, so which will be playing the couple of images and it will try to recognize the image. So this is a kind of artificial intelligence thing benchmark test going on here. So now it's running the images. Next it will be running the some kind of text as well. And so make sure to, even you can try this kind of application and try downloading in your phone, and do comment below what kind of score you are getting in your device. As you can see, friends, it is a final AI score comparison between all of the three smartphones, Poco X3, OnePlus Nord, and the Poco F2 Pro device. So you can see the difference between the Snapdragon 732G and the 765G. There is not much difference, only 4 points difference between both of the smartphones. As you can clearly see, 24.6 and 28.9. But the Poco F2 Pro has got some very good difference. I think it's a double the Poco X3. As you can see clearly, 43.1 in the Poco F2 Pro device, which has a Snapdragon 865 processor, so which is very good. So if you compare with the high-end mobile phones, or it is a top mobile phones which are having the very good AI benchmark application, benchmark scores as well, as you can see here. And overall, friends, this is a quick AI benchmark score comparison between all of the three smartphones. And for more videos, make sure to follow me regularly, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.